If you want to subscribe to job email alerts on translatorscafe.com, then what you do is you go to translatorscafe.com and you make sure you're signed in. And then once the page loads, hover and click on your profile, and then click on My Profile. And then on the following page, scroll down a bit, and when you see job notification, make sure that it is enabled here. So it should show enabled, and then it gives you the option to disable, but that means that it's enabled. And it's as simple as that.